In this video lesson, I will show you what is a Pip value calculator for the indices UK100. I will leave a link below in the description so you can check where the Pip value calculator is, and also you can see this article that will explain to you a little bit more details how the calculation for the Pip value of UK100 is calculated, and also what are important notes, for example this one. What are important notes to remember when calculating the Pip value? There is a small note that is very important to know to calculate the Pip value for the UK100 correctly. So at the end also you will see how to calculate the Pip profits for one of the examples on the trading platform, and also for the one of the different number of pips. Now let me show you first of all what are the fields inside the Pip value calculator so you can understand them. First field is the number of pips. I have put here 1 because I would like to calculate how much is the value of 1 pip for the UK100. Here inside instrument you have UK100, so you cannot change that. Here it is volume or the lot size. I have put this to 1, but you can also change that later on. And also you have units, which is a trade size, and that means what is the contract size that is defined for the UK100. That is something that I will explain to you. And then you have UK100 pip size, which tells you also at which decimal point is the pip. And that is something that I will also show you inside the trading platform. And this one is GBP USD, which is additional currency pair price if you need to calculate the pip value in different currency. So for example, inside the trading platform I have a deposit currency which is US dollar. But if you go here inside the market watch window and you have UK100, click the right mouse button and click specification. This is very important to know because this has two very important informations. The first one is the contract size. You can see the contract size for this broker I currently using, and that is IC Markets. It says that the contract size is equal to 1. For example, if you are using let's say, for example, let's use Euro USD, which is very known currency pair. You can see that the contract size in the Forex pairs is 100,000 units, and that means that one lot it has 100,000 units. When you go to UK100, it tells you that the contract size is equal to 1 unit, which means one lot size is equal to 1 unit. That is very important to know. And then you also have a margin currency, which is the currency for the currency pair. Here you can see it. So when you're calculating the currency pair with these prices, it is inside the GBP. So if you would like to get that value in the US dollar, you need to make additional calculation with the GBP USD to get information in the US dollar. And that is why you have here a GBP USD field where you can enter 1 if there is no difference, if your account currency is GBP, or if you have USD, you simply enter here a GBP USD currency pair price at the current moment, which you can simply go here to the trading platform, for example GBP USD, and use 1.27524 and enter this one here. I will show you that later on the example. Inside here, inside the article, you will see what is very important, and that is the contract size, what I have just explained to you. You can see when you go to your broker specification sheet inside, in this case I am using IC Markets, you can see here that UK100 is defined with the GBP, and also it has the number of units which is set to 1 point. So you need to understand to check that always inside here, the trading platform, or with your broker, what is the current contract size, how many units, because that is very important. It will impact on the trading results. So in my case, the contract size is equal to 1 and not 100,000 units, just like in the case of Forex pairs. So when you're ready, simply click calculate and you get the value of 1 pip for UK100 in the US dollar as a deposit currency I currently have. Okay. Now let's go to the trading platform and use an example. I will open new order, I will put a volume to 1 and I will click sell by the market. Here you have the number of pips, which says to you 430. So when you put here 430 and click calculate, you get $4.30. You can see it says 5.10. And that is different. And why is the difference? And the reason is that because 5.30 is not the US dollar, but it is GBP currency, and that is why you need to use additional price, this GBP USD price, 1.27523 for example. Click calculate and you get currently 5.48, which is different because I am also having a different price. So I need to use 27519 to calculate and to get the correct value here. 5.48 for the 430 number of pips. Now you can see I have got the same value. So this is how you can calculate the pip value for the UK100 in US dollar if you have that as a deposit currency. Then, for example, you can also, if I put here, just a minute, I'll put here 10,000. I will change the values, take profit and the stop loss. Let's check them here. So for example, if you go here and you can see the number of pips is 9570. If I put here 9570, click calculate, I get here 122.04, and you can see it is the same value I got here inside the pip value calculator. But remember that I have put here the price, which is currently GBP USD, because you need to calculate that in order to get the pip value for this number of pips. So before opening an order, you can use this pip value calculator to calculate how much money would be the number of pips equal to. So in this case, if you put 9,570 pips inside as a take profit and also stop loss, you can see how much that money would be in your deposit currency, which is US dollar. So if this number of pips and also the amount of money is okay with you, you can simply open your trade with take profit and stop loss with this number of pips. If you would like to use any other number of pips, you can simply do that by using this one. So you can see how you can use the pip value calculator for the UK100. I hope this helps to define and also to calculate the pip value, and it will helpful for you to calculate the take profit and also stop loss before opening an order. Remember, there are two very important informations: is the number of units, which is a contract size, and also remember which currency is UK100 currently indices that you are calculating. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment and I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. And if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!